Hi guys, well as you can see the charging connector of this pin is completely destroyed. This is A52 Samsung, not the Oppo, and no, A55 is Oppo, A52 is Samsung. Now we're gonna replace this boy over here. Normally people change everything, but over here we're gonna only change this one. So in future there won't be any network issue. We have used a copper sticker over here to protect the microphone of this phone. Beneath this sticker there is a microphone. Here I have used the temperature 380 and the airflow is 50. My hot gun is 861DW quick. I will try my best to explain and to show you everything, how to change this kind of charging connectors of Samsung or any kind of phones. Okay. Now I'm gonna clean the pads. This is the Amtech original flux. I'm gonna post a picture of the tools that I have used in this video later at the end. I have used this 138 degrees Celsius PPT paste to clean the pads. If you don't understand anything, please let me know in the comment section so I can explain you, or so I can say the idea what I did, how I did all. And if I have done any mistake, please correct me. Where is my car? I'm looking for my phone. Let's learn together. Let's on together. Okay. There it is. There it is. Okay. Brightness of my camera is very low. I'm sorry for the quality. I don't have a good camera. Trying to save some money so I can buy a new camera so I can record good video. Normally when this thing happens, this means the PPT paste is not enough. Flux, it's the PPT flux. This is not enough, so let's pour in more. There I go. With the more PPT paste, let's clean this. Okay. Okay. Not yet. Not yet. Probably not yet. Let's clean this thing. I use isopropyl alcohol to clean this. 99% pure, and a relief motherboard cleaning agent. You see how clean inside it is. A little bit more cleaning I think I need here on this section. Now what I'm going to use is variable spread. I'm going to use 183 degrees Celsius PPT paste. The wire. Place the wire for 183 degrees Celsius. Not forget, sorry. No, I'm gonna teach you another step. Let's clean this up. I'm gonna show you the easiest and the safest way. I'm gonna clean this for you, not this way. What I'm gonna do is, let's clean this thing up. Take a charging connector. I know you guys will love this technique. I got a charging connector over here, new one. Place it directly. Okay. Now what I can show you is, you can see this piece right. The pins are visible, you see. Now use some flux over here. First, I'm gonna change my iron gate. Come on. I'm gonna go to the 21. Let's take some 183 paste. First, you place over here, align this pin, give one swirling over here, and give one swirling over here. Now you see I'm gonna make it some PPT over here, one by one. It won't take much time. This one is good, this one is also take a little bit more. Good. This is perfect. You see, perfect. Yeah, it might take 5 minutes more, but the work will be awesome. You see how the inside gone inside, how the PPT is melted with the connector. Oh yeah, okay. They are absolutely fine. Now I'm gonna firmly attach the charging connector from this side and from this side. Okay. A little bit of PVD paste over here. It's good. a little bit of toothpaste away. Little tricky, perfect, yes, perfect. It's perfect. Just let's clean this up again. Motherboard cleaning again. With some cotton. It's been 10 minutes. Easy. Some cotton. It's good. This thing I don't like cleaning with the cotton. You know, we have to deal with this kind of fiber over here. All the boards, when you're working, when you clean with the cotton, you have to clean this microfiber also. Anyway, come out into the perfect. No more retardant. You see, without hot one, I just fix this apart. I'm gonna remove this one. So the microphone is perfectly protected over here. Let's pack this thing up. I'm gonna remove out from here. Where is the phone? This is the phone. Let me wrap it up. Before I used to pay for AI apps for the voiceover up and everything. Now I'm not gonna use that. I'm gonna try my own voice. Make it raw as much as I want, as I can. Yeah, there's a different kind of satisfaction while making a raw video, you know. No more fancy words, no more fancy things, just pure knowledge and education to the clients, to the people all over the world who want to learn every day, watching each other, learning each other. These cables are the most important thing for the networks. The white goes for the white one, and the blue one goes for the blue. Everything is perfect here. Let's see if this works or not. Yeah. You see the charging connector over there, and you see it's consuming 2 ampere. This is the one. Well, the repair is successful. See you in the next video, guys.